This is one of the most valuable coins you're used to seeing, clocking in at over $840,000. Now really quick, this one sold for $9,360,000, but not going to spend a ton of time on this one because this is a 1787 gold doubloon. If you ever find a coin like this, make sure you contact an expert because you don't want to get scammed out of that. But something that you could possibly find is more relative to this 1943 D 1 cent wheat penny graded by PCGS at a mint state 64 brown. Now it's important to know that these coins can get designated as either brown, or red. Red is generally the more desirable and valuable of the three designations, and that's because these coins come red straight from the mint, and over time they will change color, and the brown designated coins are generally less desirable. But the main reason why this coin sold for $840,000 is because during the war efforts they needed bronze for ammunition, so they transitioned from a copper cent coin into a zinc coated steel planchet coin. So if you have a 1943 penny, it should look silver, not like this, but if you have a coin that looks like this, there's a probability that you have a very rare coin. Now do understand there are a lot of fake counterfeit coins out there of this coin, which makes sense because wherever there's area for people to make money like this, they will try to take advantage one way or another. So be very cautious and aware if you ever come across a coin like this. If someone offers you this coin and the deal seems too good to be true, it probably is, but keep your eyes peeled for this 1943 coin that was struck in a bronze planchet because this one sold for $840,000. YouTube says if you enjoyed this video, then you'll definitely enjoy the one on the screen right now. I'll see you inside.